All right, so this video is not a normal video for me. This is more of an update video. This video is here to let you guys know what's going to be going on in the next 3 to 4 weeks with this channel. As you guys can tell, summer vacation is in full swing, and my mom and my stepdad are coming to visit me here in Germany, which they've never seen before. Naturally, there's been time going into preparing for them to come here, and I've also been in between 2 jobs. One job is finished and I'm getting ready to start another one, and there's been a whole lot of stuff up in the air. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get videos prepared for the time where I was going to be busy and not able to make videos. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going back into vlog mode. And I'm gonna take every day as it comes, and each day that I wake up with my mom and my stepfather and Daisy and we go out into Germany and we experience Germany together, I'm going to see what happens and see if I can't vlog it a little bit. Obviously not too much, because I want to spend time with the family as well, and I don't want to turn like our whole family into like a YouTube series thing. That's not what Adventure Time with Robert is all about. In fact, I'm more into showing you guys the history of the world than talking about myself. I also kind of want to use this as a chance to get a connection with you guys. I want to get interactive with the people who are interested in watching my videos and the people who do watch my videos. And so I'm going to be going live randomly a lot more often in the next 3 to 4 weeks. To learn that and see how that goes, because I tried to do that yesterday. Instead of a Friday video, since I couldn't have a Friday video prepared, we tried to go live at the Schützenfest in Hanover, which is the world's biggest marksman's festival. Okay, the GoPro is telling me we're live. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
All right. Yeah? What's up? Want to say hi?
Hi.
What's up? All right, a good way to start with good vibes. Here we go. We're visiting Schützenfest. It's the first day of Schützenfest here in Hanover, Germany, and this is the biggest Schützenfest in the world. If you're wondering what Schützenfest is, that's basically the biggest marksman's festival in the whole world, and it's right here in Hanover. One of the things that I love about the Schützenfest is they always have these like little off-the-wall characters. And here's a perfect example, because this is obviously not Luigi from the Mario Brothers, but it looks a lot like it. Should I shoot some arrows? Bow and arrows? Like, what do I win if I shoot? Are we doing this? Let's do this. Okay.
Here, right? Niks op. Kom maar. Zo even hier. 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 Ja, zo.
Okay.
Ogen heel hoog. Ellebogen hoog. Hoog. Linker oog is toe. Linker oog is toe. Andere oog met die pijp. Dat zie je. Zie je? En loslassen.
Konje kaputt. Kaputt.
One good eye. One good eye.
Kann ich ihn mit in der Wildnis nehmen, damit es jagen geht?
Ellbogen hoog. Sehr schön.
Ooh.
Nicht schlecht.
Oh mein Gott.
Nicht schlecht. Gut.
Scott.
All right. Maybe I found a new hobby.
Fantastisch.
Also,
I think I'm getting the hang of this now.
Das ist nicht erst einmal, glaube ich.
glaube ich auch nicht. Diese Amerikaner.
Ah,
Alle in der Mitte?
good teacher. That's a good teacher.
Nee, nee. Student. Hier.
Thank you.
Erste, zweite, dritte auch komplett.
Okay. What do you want, babe? What do you want?
Slinky.
What should we take, guys? I can get a Slinky. I can get a hamburger pillow. I can get a little Connect the 4 game. Connect 4. a little poop pillow. Let's get a poop pillow. Oh, we can get little
Den kleinen
billiards.
Mini-Dingsbums.
Mini billiards?
Sí.
Okay, the mini billiards, please. That's very cool. Thank you very much, Danke.
Dankeschön.
Very cool. Very cool. Little miniature pool table here. Not bad, huh? And we were, the first 30 minutes we were private, and that's why no one was able to see it. But you live and learn. And yeah, it's painful sometimes, but you move on and you just keep on, you know? That's what you do. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this video out. This is a message for all the people who normally kind of watch the Friday videos. After about 3 to 4 weeks, we'll be back on that Friday video vibe. You're gonna still get content, but it's gonna be random. Until then, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for all the adventures that we have in the future. And go ahead and hit the bell notification so that you'll get notified when we go live and when new videos come out. So until then, I'll see you guys. Yeah, until then, later.